Hello Keystone investors. Imagine a world where buying a ticket to your favorite game or purchasing sports merchandise could earn you a stake in your favorite team. Intrigued? Well, this isn't a futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. Welcome to the future of sports, empowered by cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we're diving deep into this groundbreaking intersection that's changing the rules of the game. We'll explore how cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing fan engagement, sponsorships, and even athletes' personal brands. But here's the kicker. Towards the end of this video, we'll reveal how you, as a fan or an investor, can leverage these changes to get more than just a seat at the stadium. We're talking about real ways to engage with teams, influence decisions, and even grow your investment portfolio. So if you ever dreamed of being more than just a spectator, if you want to be part of the next big thing in sports and finance, you won't want to miss a second of this video. Trust me, this is a game changer. So before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how cryptocurrencies are transforming the sports world, let's take a step back and understand what cryptocurrencies actually are. For those of you that are new to this concept, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain. Now, what is blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger that's not stored in one place, but is distributed across many computers. This ledger records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. Because it's decentralized, it's incredibly difficult for any single entity to manipulate or control it. This decentralization is one of the key features that makes cryptocurrencies so appealing and secure. But cryptocurrencies are more than just digital money. They're digital assets, meaning they have value and can be used for a variety of applications, not just buying goods or services. Some cryptocurrencies enable smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into code. Others offer a way to securely store data, and some even allow for the creation of decentralized applications. So in a nutshell, cryptocurrencies are digital assets that operate on a secure, decentralized network, usually a blockchain. They can serve as a medium of exchange, like traditional money, but they can do so much more, offering a wide range of applications that extend far beyond just the financial sector. And it's this versatility and innovation that are making cryptocurrencies a major player in the sports industry. So now that we've laid the groundwork on what cryptocurrencies are, let's delve into how they're making a significant impact in the sports arena. This isn't a recent phenomenon. The relationship between sports and cryptocurrencies has been building momentum for a few years now. Around the mid-2010s, as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin started gaining mainstream attention, some forward-thinking sports teams and leagues began to see the potential. One of the earliest adopters was the NBA team Sacramento Kings. Back in 2014, they became the first professional sports team to accept Bitcoin as a payment method for tickets and merchandise. Fast forward to today, and they've even launched a blockchain-based rewards program allowing fans to accumulate tokens that can be redeemed for exclusive experiences. But it's not just teams in the United States that are embracing this technology. European football clubs like PSG and Juventus have issued their own fan tokens, allowing supporters to vote on minor team decisions, like choosing the music that plays in the stadium after a goal is scored. These tokens also can be traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges, giving them a real-world value. And let's not forget about the world of motorsports. Formula One, for instance, has entered into various partnerships with blockchain companies to enhance fan engagement and even tokenize some of its assets. So what's driving this adoption? Well, for teams and leagues, cryptocurrencies offer a new revenue stream and a way to engage fans on a deeper level. For sponsors in the crypto industry, it's an opportunity to gain mainstream exposure and educate the public about cryptocurrencies. Now, one of the most exciting developments in the intersection of cryptocurrencies and sports is the rise of fan tokens and tokenization. But what exactly are fan tokens? Simply put, fan tokens are specialized cryptocurrencies that represent ownership or membership in a fan community related to a particular sports team or athlete. These tokens are usually built on existing blockchain platforms and can be bought, sold, and traded just like any other cryptocurrency. But fan tokens are not just digital collectibles. They are a revolutionary way to engage fans. Owning a fan token often gives you a stake in decision-making processes related to the team or athletes you support. We're talking about voting rights on various matters, from choosing the design of a team's new jersey to selecting the starting lineup for a friendly match. This level of engagement was previously unthinkable, and is transforming fans from passive spectators into active participants. Let's look at some real-world examples to bring this to life. Soccer clubs like FC Barcelona and AC Milan have issued their own fan tokens, allowing supporters to vote on various aspects of the club operation. For instance, FC Barcelona fans who owned the club fan tokens were able to vote on the design of a mural that decorates the team's legendary Camp Nou stadium. Another compelling example comes from the world of combat sports. The Professional Fighters League in mixed martial arts has also embraced fan tokens, allowing fans to choose fighters' walkout songs, among other things. And it's not just about voting rights. These tokens often come with additional perks like exclusive merchandise, VIP experiences, and even meet and greet with athletes. In essence, fan tokens are turning everyday fans into VIPs, giving them unprecedented access and influence over their favorite teams and athletes. So if you've ever wanted to be more than just a face in the crowd, fan tokens offer a way to deepen your connection with the sports teams and athletes you love. Another fascinating dimension where cryptocurrencies are making their mark in the sports world is through sponsorships and partnerships. Gone are the old days where the only sponsors you'd see in sports arenas were traditional companies like beverage brands or automotive manufacturers. Today, it's not uncommon to see the logos of cryptocurrency exchanges or blockchain companies on team jerseys or flashing on stadium screens. So why are crypto companies so keen on sponsoring sports teams? For starters, it's a golden opportunity for those companies to gain mainstream exposure. Sports events often attract large, diverse audiences, providing an ideal platform for crypto companies to raise awareness and educate the public about their services. It's a win-win situation. The sports teams get a new revenue stream, and the crypto companies get to tap into a broader, engaged audience. But the benefits go beyond mere exposure. These partnerships often involve more than just slapping a logo on a jersey. Many are comprehensive deals that include fan engagement activities, token launches, and even educational initiatives aimed to promoting financial literacy and understanding of cryptocurrencies. So let's talk about some real-world examples to illustrate this. Crypto.com, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, inked a historic sponsorship deal with the UFC, becoming their official fight kit partner. This partnership not only gives Crypto.com incredible visibility, but also opens up avenues for unique fan engagement activities and promotions. Another example is the partnership between NBA Dallas Mavericks and the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. The Mavericks were one of the first NBA teams to accept Dogecoin as a payment method for tickets and merchandise, a move that garnered significant media attention and likely attracted a new tech-savvy fan base. Now, these sponsorships are not just marketing gimmicks. They're strategic alliances that are shaping the future of sports and finance. They offer a glimpse into a future where the lines between sports entertainment and finance are increasingly blurred, creating new opportunities and experiences for fans, athletes, and investors alike. Now, as we delve deeper into the transformative impact of cryptocurrencies on the sports industry, we can't overlook the revolution happening in merchandising and ticketing. Yes, the days of standing in long queues to buy tickets or waiting anxiously for your credit card transaction to process might soon be a thing of the past. Cryptocurrencies are streamlining these experiences, making them faster, cheaper, and more rewarding for fans. So how does this work? Many sports teams and venues now offer the option to purchase tickets and merchandise using various cryptocurrencies. This isn't just a novelty, it comes with some distinct advantages. For one, cryptocurrencies often have lower transaction fees compared to traditional payment methods, which means you could save money with every purchase. Secondly, transactions are almost instantaneous, eliminating the waiting time often associated with other payment methods. But perhaps the most exciting advantage is the potential for rewards. Some teams offer exclusive discounts or loyalty points when you make purchases with their preferred cryptocurrency. These points can often be converted into fan tokens, which, as we discussed earlier, can give you a stake in decision making or be redeemed for exclusive experiences and merchandise. So once again, let's look at some case studies to see this in action. The Miami Dolphins partnered with Litecoin, making it the team's official cryptocurrency. Fans attending Dolphins games can use Litecoin to purchase tickets and even participate in the team's 50-50 raffle. Another example comes from the world of European football. Benfica, a top football club in Portugal, has been accepting cryptocurrency payments for match tickets and merchandise since 2019. The move was aimed to enhancing the fan experience by offering faster and more secure payment options. And these are not isolated instances. They're part of a growing trend that's set to redefine how we engage with sports teams as fans and consumers. And as cryptocurrencies continue to gain mainstream acceptance, we can expect to see even more innovations that make the fan experience more seamless and rewarding. So whether you're a die-hard fan looking to get closer to the action, or someone interested in the financial aspects of this revolution, the opportunities are endless. As cryptocurrencies gain traction in the sports world, it's essential to consider the regulatory aspects. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate these digital assets, and this will undoubtedly impact how they're used in sports. While there are no universal rules yet, teams and athletes are generally complying with these existing financial regulations to ensure that their crypto endeavors are above board. Now, while the crypto sports partnerships offer many opportunities, it's not without risk. The volatility of cryptocurrency can be a concern, as can the regulatory changes. Plus, the technology is still new and could face unforeseen challenges. However, the potential rewards often outweigh the risks, making this a space worth watching. So cryptocurrencies are changing the game in the sports industry, offering new ways for fans to engage, teams to innovate, and athletes to build their brands. From fan tokens to sponsorships and beyond, this is a revolution, and it's just getting started. And remember, you can be more than just a spectator. You can be a participant in this exciting new arena. So if you're intrigued by the endless possibilities at the intersection of sports and cryptocurrencies, stay tuned to our channel. We've got more insights and tips and actionable advice coming your way. Don't miss out on being a part of this groundbreaking journey. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.